Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Are you someone who's still losing important text which you copied 5 minutes ago? Then don't worry because today I'll show you how to unlock the power of Windows Clipboard History and use it like a pro. You will never lose a copied link, snippet, or password ever again. So what exactly is Clipboard History? By default, Windows lets you copy and paste just one thing at a time. But with Clipboard History, you can access a list of the last 25 items which you copy. It can be text, images, or more. So you would need to press Windows plus the letter V in order to access your clipboard. And as you can see here, I have an empty clipboard. And that is because my clipboard history is turned off. So the first thing which I would need to do is just turn it on. And as you can see, I have a text reflected here, which I copied a few minutes ago. So first and foremost, you would need to make sure that your clipboard history is turned on. Now you can even do that by just going to your settings and then from here going to the system option and then just scroll down and go to the clipboard option. And from here, as you can see, our clipboard history is turned on. So if it's not enabled in your case, then just go and enable it. And after that, here's where the magic happens. So just press Windows plus the letter V to access your clipboard. Just click on any of these items. And now if you just press on Control plus V, and there you go, you have your text here. So even if you copied it an hour ago, but if it's still reflected in your clipboard history, then you can just click on that and press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Also, you can access these pin icons to keep important clips from being deleted when your PC restarts. And if you want to remove the unnecessary things, then just click on this three dot option. And then from here, you can just simply delete it. Well, there you go. That text is gone. Now, there's something even cooler which you can do with your clipboard settings. You can sync your clipboard across multiple Windows devices. So for that, you would just need to go back to your clipboard settings and then just check this box which says clipboard history across your devices. And then from here, you would need to select this option which says automatically sync the text that I copied. So now you can just go ahead and copy on your desktop and paste on your laptop. Now here are some quick tips to level up. First, use it to store frequently used text like emails or social handles. Second, copying multiple things at once, then paste them later without switching windows. And third, it works in most apps, Word, Chrome, Notepad, and even Teams. And well, that is how you use Windows Clipboard History like a total pro. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.